Hey guys, so I just got to my new apartment and I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour. I'm so excited, so let's go. Okay, so right at the door, this is just like the hot water heater, all of that stuff. It's probably locked. So yeah, I don't even have access to that. I love this right here. So right to the right of the door is a little mudroom. There's a shelf, we have some hooks, some places to put shoes and bags, and then to the right, we have the living room slash kitchen. So let's look at the kitchen first because I love the kitchen. All of the kitchen is dark cabinets, which is complete opposite. My last apartment was white cabinets, but I actually really love it. So this island is really big, and then we have a huge sink in the middle. Let's check out the fridge. I've actually never had a fridge like this where it's like the freezer on the bottom and the top half. So, I don't imagine it would have an ice maker though, is the only downside. Oh, maybe there is an ice maker. Okay, so there's like 2 layers here. Never had a fridge like that. There's a lot of storage in here, lots of cabinets. The appliances are all GE, which we love, and I actually like these electric flat top stoves. I've actually never had a gas stove, so this is what I know, and this is what I like. The backsplash is super cute. It's this little white tile, and then these are kind of dirty, but super cute. I wonder if I can clean those or if that's just how they look, but super cute to display things in there. And then this right here, I have never seen in an apartment before. It comes with a wine fridge. I've never in my life owned a wine fridge before, so I'm super excited about that. And then this right here is the pantry, which is kind of a similar layout to my old apartment. For one person, this is more than enough space. So this is the pantry area, and then there's tons of storage at the top and the bottom. So that's the kitchen, and then, there's also more storage here. So there's more drawers. It comes with a dishwasher, which we love, and then here's the sink right here. And I wonder if it has... Okay, so I think that's the only sink setting. And then over the island are these cute little pendants. Let me turn the lights on and see what they look like. So there's 2 different sets of lights in the kitchen. These look like they're kind of different colors, or maybe they just need to warm up. And then there's the island. So one of the things about this apartment that I also love is it has a nest. I have never had a nest before. It's the little things. Let's try this light. And so this is probably where I'm gonna put my desk right here, and there's more lights overhead. And then the living room is beautiful, and there's so much sunlight coming in. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna put the couch. That's the door that goes out to the balcony. So I feel like maybe the TV there and the couch there, but I'm not really sure. And then from here, this is the view of everything. This apartment is about 760 square feet for reference. So right off of the kitchen is the bedroom. This is the only place that has carpet. I actually like having carpet in the bedroom only, but the rest to be hardwood floor. There's 2 more big windows right here, and there's also a fan. This bedroom is a little bit smaller than my previous apartment, but it can fit my queen size bed, so that's all that matters. And then right off of the bedroom, you can either go into the bathroom this way, or if you have people over and you don't want them coming into your room, you can also just go to the bathroom straight off of the kitchen. So another thing about this apartment that I love is that there's just one big mirror. So there's double sinks, but there's just one mirror, which I love because most apartments that I looked at, And my old apartment would have 2 smaller mirrors over each sink, but I actually love this a lot more. Tons of storage. I live alone, so this is a hers and hers sink. And then there's also a cabinet over the toilet, which I love. My old apartment did not have that. The shower. So this is so different than what I'm used to. My last apartment was all white everything. This is a black shower, which I don't know how I feel about it right now, but I think it's kind of cute. I just don't know for filming like hair videos in the shower how that black tile is going to look. And then, and here is the laundry room slash closet. Now, if you've been watching my videos, if you know, you know. My last apartment had teeny tiny stackable washer dryers. This apartment came with full size GE washer dryers. I am so excited. Like, look how much space that has. My last apartment, I did laundry every single day because the washer was just so tiny. So this is very, very exciting. And then the rest of the closet, there's also a mirror in here. Okay, and then there's shelving. I have a lot of clothes, and so I don't know how everything is going to fit, but the closet is really big. It's just sharing space with the laundry room. So I'll probably keep like my laundry soap and stuff up top, and then everything else will just be shoes and clothes. And that is the bathroom. So then this takes you straight back out to the living room, and this is the apartment. Okay, so this is the balcony, and there's also, oh, I don't know what those are. I think they're balloons. It also comes with storage, which is nice, but oh, what is that? I think there's a little abandoned nest in there, but it also comes with storage, and then this is the balcony area. Okay, so I have to go ahead and end this video here and move all my things in. We've been moving all day, but I'm so excited to be here. I am also posting a moving vlog, an old apartment moving out empty apartment tour of my old apartment. And once I get settled in, I will of course post a furnished apartment tour. I'm so excited. I honestly was a little bit skeptical regretting moving here because I didn't see my actual apartment before I moved in, but I love it. It's so cute. I'm excited to move in, decorate, furnish it. So thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.